I just found a simple 3-step method for copy and paste images that can make you $200 every single day. In this video, I'll show you how to do this with a brand new account and either a laptop or a smartphone that can connect to the internet. Go to freeimages.com, which is the first thing you will need to do. Freeimages.com is a free website where people can look for and download free images that are in the public domain. Now we won't be adding any more pictures to this website. We're just going to download these pictures and then use them to make a lot of money. In just a moment, I'll show you how these guys over here have made more than $37,000 with images like this one, which you can easily find online at sites like freeimages.com and use for free to do the same thing. Here's another illustration. These guys have already made more than $14,000 with just these 3 simple images, which I will show you how to make quickly and easily using freeimages.com. They weren't very fancy, but they were able to make a lot of money with these simple pictures. You can download and set these up in less than 30 minutes. But before we go any further, welcome to M&O Girl. On this channel, I share the latest ideas, tips, and tricks for making money online. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the like button and turn on notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. All of these pictures are free, so we can use them without giving credit or even signing up on their site. From these numbers, you can see that there are thousands of pages with these pictures on them. Now, let's use this search box to look for abstract art. We can see from these search results that there are thousands of images with very interesting abstract art. In this example, we will download these pictures so that we can use them to make money. Go ahead and right-click on a few of these pictures to open them in new tabs on your web browser. Abstract art is said to be the most popular kind of art because it doesn't have a clear subject or relate to anything outside of itself. This is why we want to download abstract art images. So each person who looks at an abstract painting can find their own meaning in it. This is why abstract paintings are always popular, which is exactly what we want for this method to work like a charm. Now, we're going to save the pictures we just chose to our computers so we can make money off of them. When doing this, be careful to choose images that are bigger in size, because if you choose images that are too small, this method won't work well. Okay, so I thought about a few of these images for this example, and I decided to use this one. The next step is to find a free online editor where you can improve the image to get more clicks. So what we're going to do now is go back to Google and look for free online photo editors. As you can see, there are a lot of these free online photo editors that you can use to add filters to an image. Let's use this one called photofilters.com as an example. Photofilters.com is, as the name suggests, a free online tool that lets you add beautiful filters and effects to your photos and images. Its main purpose is to make photos look better by using effects like cropping, resizing, blurring exposure, sharpening, ridge curves, and many others. Next, click the button that says Browse. After you upload a photo, go up to where it says Basic, and then choose any of these filters to see if they make your photos better. Let's click where it says Filters, and I'll choose Autocorrect because I think it will make my picture look a lot better. Feel free to try out any of these filters on your own time, and make sure to improve your photos before I show you the next step. Once your pictures have been fixed up, you'll learn how to make money. But before we do that, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. So leave a comment below with the name of your country so I can keep making videos that work in your area. We need to go to the Etsy.com website. Etsy.com has been around for a long time, and it is one of the best online marketplaces where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. If this is the first time you've heard about this website, I promise you that you'll love it even more once you know the secret I'm about to tell you. Every year, this website sells millions of items. For instance, if we choose the category Art and Collectibles, you can see that there are more than 9 million results. Here, you can shop by interest or just look around until you find something you like. People have so much more to learn about here. People sell things here, including pictures like the ones we just got from freeimages.com. You can also tell how many of these items have already been sold by looking at the reviews on the items and the images we got from freeimages.com. Let me show you how you can use them to make money without doing anything. So, do you remember when we used freeimages.com to look for pictures? We looked for abstract art, and I even showed you where it said that these kinds of pictures are actually very popular. And look again for abstract art. You can see that there are more than 1.5 million results, which means that this website is selling a lot of these products. So the first thing you should do is look to see if there are any good reviews for these kinds of products. You can see right away that people are giving them 5 stars, which is a great sign if we want to make money doing this. Over 4,000 people have reviewed this one. Also, this one has more than 2,000, and many of them have gotten good reviews from people who have bought them. Also, keep in mind that not everyone who buys something will usually leave a review, so these numbers could be a lot higher. Okay, so let's take this one as an example. It cost about $8.07. They've already sold more than 4,675 items. If we multiply that number by $8, we get a total of about $37,400. These images are so easy to make that it won't take you even an hour to get them ready and put them on Etsy.com. This has to be one of the quickest ways I've ever talked about on this channel to make money online. Here's a second example. People are selling this for about $6.89, and you can see that they have made over $14,048. Even more amazing is that this is a simple but cute design that doesn't need a physical product and can be downloaded right away after a customer buys it. The system only has 4 JPEG files and 1 PIF file that can be downloaded. Also, check out what other people who have bought this item have said about it. These are real buyers who have been checked out. The good thing is that this is all done by a system that works on its own. You only have to do a little bit of work to set it up the first time. When you're done editing your photos on photofilters.com, click this button that says Sign In. Then click the Register button to make a new account. As an extra tip, go to YouTube and search for how to set up an Etsy shop for beginners. You can follow these awesome tutorials to finish setting up your Etsy account. If you want your images to rank higher on Etsy so that people can find them and you can make money, search for how to rank higher on Etsy, and you can optimize your images to get the most clicks on Etsy. Check this next video on how to make $3 by watching YouTube videos.